பதிவு எண் பொறிக்கப்பட்ட நாற்காலியை சரிபார்த்து அமரவும். பட்டமளிப்பு விழா மண்டபத்திற்குள் அலைபேசி மற்றும் கேமராவை பயன்படுத்தி தனிப்பட்ட புகைப்படங்களை எடுப்பது கண்டிப்பாக தவிர்க்கவும். விழாவின் போது அமைதி காக்கவும். சிறப்பு விருந்தினர்கள் மண்டபத்திற்குள் நுழையும் போது
Dr. Jayasri, the principal of the RPS College of Education, to deliver the welcome address and present the college report.
Esteemed advisor, respected Chief Administrative Officer, principals of RVS Group of Institutions, distinguished invitees, faculty members, graduates, parents, members of press, media, good morning to all. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a momentous occasion, the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. The graduation is not just a symbolic event. It is a testament of an incredible journey that each graduate has undertaken to reach this milestone. With the blessing of our Honorable Chairman, Vijayashree Dr. K.V. Kuppasamy, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to this graduation ceremony of RVS College of Education. First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty for showering His blessings to us to achieve all the academic, co-curricular and extracurricular achievements attained during these years. For all our achievement and laurel, I bow before the Almighty. It is a privilege and honor for me to welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. P. Ganeshan, Controller of Examinations, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, who very graciously consented to be with us to address the graduates and confer the degree certificates in this glorious occasion. It is a great honor for me to introduce our Chief Guest, Dr. P. Ganeshan, the esteemed Controller of Examinations at Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, possesses an illustrious career background. He served as a professor and head at Annamalai University from 2002 to 2013, accumulating a rich experience of 20 years in teacher education program. The university include Nodal Officer of All India Survey of Higher Education, Chairman of Public Relations Officer, Secretary of Alumni Association, Director of MMOC Faculty Building. His dedication to academia and scholarly pursuits is truly commendable, with a robust record of attending 75 national and state level seminars, participating in 20 workshops, presenting papers at 15 international and 12 national conferences, publishing 6 insightful books, and contributing to reputable journals. His contributions are invaluable. His mentorship shines brightly as he has guided 41 MPhil scholars, culminating in 13 scholars receiving PhD degree under his expert guidance. This proactive approach is evident to the organization of 5 webinars and workshops, along with international visit to 2 countries, earning him well-deserved recognition with 30 prestigious awards. The depth of his research and academic contribution is truly inspiring. Your presence here is an honor and source of great motivation to us all. On behalf of our chairman, faculty members, and personally, I extend a heartfelt and warm welcome to you. Welcome you, sir. It is a great honor and pleasure for me to welcome Dr. B.K. Badri, advisor to our honorable chairman. He is retired as director level officer from MOE, served MOE in various capacities to deal with planning, policy and administration of educational matters of higher education institution and technical education at central level. Our advisor is not merely a mentor, but a beacon of inspiration. His unwavering support, insightful wisdom, and tireless effort have been the cornerstone of our achievements. Behind every milestone, every triumph, and every moment of excellence, his guidance has played an invaluable role. On behalf of our college, I welcome you, sir. It is a great privilege for me to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed Chief Administrative Officer, Thiru A. Pari, IPS, IGP retired on the special day. His dedication, tireless effort, and unique perspectiveness have undeniably been the guiding force behind the success and growth of our esteemed institution. On behalf of our college, I welcome you, sir. I am honored. Madam is not here, Dr. P. Lata, the exceptional principal of RVS Nursing College. Her unwavering support and guidance have played a pivotal role in making this graduation day an extraordinary success. I thank Madam. Special welcome to Dr. Neelavati, Principal of RVS Siddha College and Hospital. Welcome you, Madam. It is a pleasure for me to welcome our faculty members of RVS College of Education. It is an honor for me to welcome parents of graduates. I also extend my warm welcome to the graduates of 2018-20, 19-21 and 2022 batch. Today, is an important significant day of RVS College of Education. 30 graduates are receiving M.Ed degree of 2018-20 batch, and in 2019-21 batch, 20 graduates are receiving M.Ed degree. About 95 graduates are receiving B.Ed degree of 2018-20 batch, 96 graduates are receiving B.Ed degree in 2019-21 batch, 98 graduates are receiving B.Ed degree in 2020-22 batch. I hope our RVS College of Education will continue its pursuits of excellence and equip itself to meet the aspiration of New India. Now, let me present a brief graduation report. Allotted seats for B.Ed of our college by Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University is 100 and M.Ed is 50. During the academic year 2018-19, 100 students were admitted to B.Ed and 28 were admitted to M.Ed. The number of candidates who attended the B.Ed exam was 99 and for the M.Ed it was 30. Among them, 98 students passed the B.Ed exam and 28 passed the M.Ed exam. During the academic year 2019-20, 100 students were admitted to B.Ed while 31 were admitted to M.Ed. The number of candidates who attended the B.Ed exam was 98 and for M.Ed it was 28. Among them, 95 students passed the B.Ed exam and 26 passed the M.Ed exam. During the academic year 2020-21, 100 students were admitted to B.Ed. The number of candidates who attended the B.Ed exam was 100 and among them 99 passed. We are very proud to announce that our college students have achieved outstanding performances in the examinations held by Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai. I extend my congratulations to everyone. Important activities conducted from 2018 to 2022. Excellence is academic is hallmark of a good institution. During the academic year 2018-19, a national conference on paradigm shift on teaching learning was organized. One-day workshop was organized on recent trends in education during the academic year 2019-20. During 2018-19, free eye camp was organized by our college tied with Eye Hospital for 2 days. Campus interview was conducted during the academic years 2018-19. Many international and public schools from various places interviewed our students and 90% of our students were selected. At the beginning of every academic year, a bridge course was conducted for 1 week. It covered various aspects such as attitude towards teaching, personality development, communication skills, time management, qualities of a good teacher, stress coping management, empowerment, hands-on skill on ICT and understanding of NLP. Micro and mini teaching practice were provided to our students. Student teachers every year to develop and integrate all teaching skills during the teaching experience. During those academic years, various events were conducted including student council election, club inauguration, quiz competition, celebration of all festivals, observance of National Importance Day, orientation classes for first aid, fire and rescue, road safety, citizenship training camp, special classes on art and drama, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan program and sports and cultural fest. The growth and development of our institution largely depends on the caliber of its teaching and non-teaching staff. The staff identify the talented students and bring the skill and efficiency to light. I thank them for the willing cooperation and faithful service. Our students are the major share in the success of our college. They bring glory to the institution and win distinction in curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. I thank every one of them and wish them success in every walk of life. Once again, I welcome one and all present here. Welcome. I invite our Honorable Advisor, Dr. B.K. Badri, to deliver special address to the candidates.
To extend every best greetings to all of you, those who are gathered today on this great occasion in this hall, on behalf of our Honorable Chairman, Dr. K.B. Kuppuswamy Iyer. One demand. He has asked all of us to extend greetings to the pass-outs, to the graduates, for your better future. I'm not going to take here much of your time. I will speak only 3 to 4 minutes. Today we have a very prestigious person who is going to hand over your degrees to all the pass outs, Dr. P. Ganeshan, who is controller of examination of Tamil Nadu Education University. You all are very proud recipients of all degrees of your education. This is the only university in the country which is purely meant for education purpose. All other universities in the country are combined universities. But this is the only university which is taking care of the education sector, I mean for the teachers of Tamil Nadu. So this is a very important day, not for the graduates or the postgraduates, but at the same time for all the parents, your relatives, your brothers, your sisters, because it's a combined effort from all of you. This is a journey which you have completed in a very cozy way. Your parents are equally important, your teachers are equally important, all other people from your university, those who have been maintaining your standards, those who have been coming time to your university, trust, and on the top of that, our financial wing, our administrative wing, and all your hostel people, your mess people, whosoever came across to your 2 years of stay in the college, those all are today to be complimented to make your journey successful. So in good olden days, just 20 years before, 25 years before, teachers were given the license to teach. I do remember teachers were called by today you have got, means you are all equipped with your all qualities to provide further teaching skills to your students wherever you are joining. You may be joining some schools, you may be joining for your further studies, to the doctorate programs, to some research programs, and it is not only confined to this only. Many of you may try to some other services also. You may go to the civil services, you may go to the banking field, you may go to anywhere you like to do in your life, any writing, literary, music, any job, whatever you want to do, you are free to take, free to choose your career path. But whatever you do, please take that in a very serious way. Life is very short and you have to complete many things within this short time of another 40 to 50 years. You have to raise your family, you have to make your assets, you have to give some comforts to your parents, to your in-laws, and in this way, finally you are contributing in making of your society, in making of your village, in making of your state, and on the top of that, you are the contributors to the nation. You are actually now joining the growth engines. So don't be a small engine, have your capacity always like a big engine, big car. Don't be an engine to growth with a smaller capacity. Every person has tremendous potential in his or in her. Only the thing is, you all have to exploit that particular potential which is within you. Do good things in your life. Be a good human being. First, before becoming a good teacher or professor or lecturer, we all have to be good human beings. Just load yourself with good habits. Be kindful, be rightful, be humble, be sincere, be truthful, be compassionate, be very humble. Because we are all human beings. So first, as a human, we have to take care of the human capabilities, human instincts. Teacher role is afterwards. So I conclude my talk to you because we want to listen our chief guest. So my good wishes to all of you, to all parents, your relatives on this very important day. And please be the growth of engine in your society. You are now contributing to your society. You are not yet teacher, you have not gained this B.Ed or M.Ed degrees for yourself only. If you do good, your society will be good. If you do more good, your society will be more good. If you put your best, your society is going to be the best. Your state is going to be the best. Your GDP, you are all sitting here who are now enhancing the GDP of your state, GDP of your nation. So you are all here, the growth engine, that's why I call you. Gross domestic product, you are all gross domestic product sitting before me, and through your good efforts, you are going to make your Tamil Nadu state the number one and your country number one in the world. So with these words, I once again thank to all of you, all parents and guardians. Thanks to Dr. Jayashree for making this program to this level. All my other colleagues, principals, teachers, people from our trust, thanks. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.